normal build? What is a normal draw for the where were we at the end of March, beginning of April? And
Right.
if we fall within that, that's why as a trader, never react to no one should react to that EIA number. Give it 10 minutes and react to the reaction. React to the way that people are going to see it because that headline number, that guess is absolutely useless.
Woo, bringing the heat. All right, one more. Yes or no? Did you know crude could go negative? Did you know crude could go negative? Yes or no?
Every commodity, every physical commodity can go negative. So it happened in crude oil and WTI, and that was related to a lot of things, demand destruction because of COVID. But it happens often in the natural gas market. And just think about this. This is a futures market it's a derivative. It derives its value from a physical asset. So in West Texas, we produce a lot of natural gas. We don't want to. We want to produce oil there. So we don't have enough takeaway capacity for that natural gas, i.e., we don't have enough pipelines to extract that gas out of the market area. So what happens, and this happens often in West Texas, is you're producing, you're getting more natural gas, your storage is full, your pipelines are full, you've got nowhere to pull all this new production.
Nope.
So now you have to start to pay people to take that gas away from you, hence negative prices. So it was an anomaly in WTI, not unheard of given the storage situation. As I said, you may take delivery in central Oklahoma, and all those tanks were full at the start of COVID, and you had a lot of dumb money that bought a lot of oil at $30 a barrel, thinking they were getting a value. And then when they tried to sell it back to liquidate their length, guess what? No one had any ability to store that oil in Cushing anymore, so no one was buying that oil. And so they go into expiration, and they had to start selling it, and they had to start offering discounts for people to take that oil away from them. So yes, it can happen. It happens often in certain esoteric commodity markets, but it happens a lot in natural gas, especially in the West Texas markets.
Steven Shork, bringing the heat. Thank you so much. Go check him out, the Shork Report. Steven, thank you so much. Fantastic stuff. The chat's absolutely loving it. We'll let you get out of here. Cannot stump the man.
Appreciate that.
Steven, thank you so much again for joining us on Top Step TV. Go check him out, the Shork Report. Fantastic stuff. All right, let's get back to Hogue. I know that was music to your ears, talking about going from the floor, the local, to the upstairs to the screen. And look who we got, lower left-hand corner, Mr. Dakota, Star of Slow Markets.
There we go.
That was.
And where can you get that stuff on the internet for free?
Shork Report. That's where you get that guy. Jack, I couldn't stump him.
It was awesome. And I love anytime someone talks about spreads. If I was taking any sort of longer term or short term oil trade, it would be involving the spreads. Keep an eye on Brent. Keep an eye on the Dubai oil contracts to see what is it? You got to skate where the puck is going, right, Dakota?
That's what I was saying. Yeah, I've watched only one game in my life, Jack, and
get out of here, really?
Hey,
yeah.
Real quick, fellas. Real quick, we got the link to the Shork Report there in the chat. Go check them out. Absolutely, we all got smarter there. We all got smarter from that Dakota. Happy April Fool's Day. Let's take a look at the NQ trading 24th. Oh, Hogue, Dakota. Thoughts on the NQ, and then I'm gonna come to you, Hogue, for IB high, IB low. What's up, Dakota?
I mean, it's where do we buy it? Buy the dip. This market is absolutely rallying, and I'm loving every minute of it. Last night it was more the same. Today we're seeing the same thing. Not so much during the New York session, right? A lot of the rally happened overnight. Here during the New York session, we're still inside. I mean, basically where we opened up, right? And we're just kind of hanging around 24,200 down to 24,000, 50s, 40s. Maybe we stay range bound until tonight. I know a lot of people are going to be paying attention to what Trump says tonight, and that might lead to more of a consolidating market, more of a range bound market than a breakout or a trending. Now, it's still volatile. There's tons of opportunity. I mean, it's a 150-point range.
Yeah, I mean, one thing to watch out for, and I think that there's probably at least a 50% probability, is that we will get a clearer idea of what's going to be talked about tonight during the market hours right now. So keep your eyes open.
Indeed. Okay, Hogue. Initial balance high, initial balance low here for the ES.
All right, initial balance low, 65.98 even.
65.98. 98
Initial
even.
balance high, 66.28.5.
66.28.5. Okay. And what do you got for
NASDAQ.
NQ? Salem still going?
24.043 is the IB low.
24. Wait, one more time. 24.
24.043
Okay.
IB high 24.210.75, and we just left a failed upside auction above that.
Yes, we did. Thank you very much. Sounds good. All right, now we're seeing some selling here. I'm not seeing the headline, but we're seeing a pop in crude. We're seeing some selling in equities, gold as well.
And a failed downside auction in crude. Well, we had our guest on, was too busy listening.
These are old. Sirens heard in Tel Aviv. Right, fires larger than missile. Okay.
These
Headlines are really.
That was a good listen. That was a good listen. Trade what you see, not what you think.
Dude, that guy is. That guy's sharp. That guy is. Got in the short report. I was looking at. He's cleaning up on that spread. I guarantee he's cleaning up on that ARB. Hand over fist. Hand over fist, dog.
What is that? You buy WTI and sell Brent?
Buy America, sell. Yeah.
That's one way to play it. Remember, like a week back or so, Andre, there was that big pump in oil, and that was almost entirely the spread collapsing because the U.S. said that we're not considering export control. So going back to what Mr. Short said, if we're not going to do export controls, that would indicate that there still could be foreign demand in addition for U.S. WTI crude. So that goes up relative to the Brent because that oil is available.
Did never consider that. Never. It was fantastic stuff. Then he took a swipe at jobs. Took a swipe at Bureau of Labor Statistics. You think this? You think crude inventories numbers are bad? Look at jobs. They revised those things. Man,
one of the few jobs I would leave Top Step for would be anything that allows me just to make projections of random economic things for forecasts.
Oh, yeah. And then
I would love that.
Don't trade the first 10 minutes of that. React to the reaction view. I have George listening intently. Hell yeah, man. In the chat, Moto saying guest speakers are getting good. Top Step TV getting pro. Shout out Maya.
There we go. Man, look at this market reaction here. We're up 50
what are we
points.
Reacting to?
Well, just bounced right off of VWAP.
I'm not sure. What do we got coming up next? Pretty much in the clear. In terms of Dakota, have you taken any trades?
I took one last night. It was a little bit of a loss, so holding flat now. Went on tilt last night. Ended up blowing up my live account. So here I am in a combine.
What market were you in that you went on tilt?
Gold. I was trying to buy gold, and it had to pull back. Yeah, man, look at this.
You got long and you lost. Oh, I'd go on tilt too. All right, more.
Something's going on.
What's going on here? We got pop here. This is brutal. This is tough right now. Pop there. We just got initial balance highs in ES. ES pop to 66.31. 66.31. And Q with a. Really? That was a 130 point pop. Sure was.
Yeah. That was the yep headline. Now we wait for the no.
Oh, yeah. That's basically, This is yep.
Was that new session highs in the Nasdaq?
Kinda.
I mean, we tagged them barely.
New York session highs on that spike in the ES.
Another failed upside auction.
Here's a pop in crude. Here's the no.
Are these?
What is happening?
It's interesting. Are these algos making money on this? It seems that they're just buying.
Hey, get Shork back here. Shork, can you come back? New Salem's still going. New Salem's. We need Shork back here. I don't know. Oh man.
Man, this is wild. I mean, who said it?
Your chart showing the same thing as mine. just like massive green candle followed by a massive red candle.
Yeah, that's 3 times today.
Okay.
And you're right. It's both algos and liquidity grabs and stops. It's just well, it's tough to be tight in this market.
Yeah, small size wide stops. And that's 50-point swings right there. 50 points, both directions.
What's the value,
quick
Jack?
around
You do a little forensics. What's the?
Let's see how it compares. This one was
Yeah.
during the New York session. So let's see what we got here. Go to my handy dandy 1 second chart. We got 1800 traded in a second, and then 17. Oh, like it pretty much exactly. The 2 up candles were both about 1800 contracts. What's weird is it took a break for a second. 2 big surges of volume, 1800 contracts each. And it looks like it took like a couple minutes to unwind it. You can tell the markets are thin because for a big order like that, a lot of times we'll see up to like 3,000 contracts in a second on one of those orders.
Buyers are holding this up though, right around 24,200.
Yeah. It does appear we're seeing some headlines coming out. Businesses are being targeted now from Iran. The financial juices apps is just short circuiting right now. Let's take a look at gold. The gold last trade 47.79. Last trade there. Yes, trading 66.24. Now 25's trade. 26's trade. We pop there. Crude sells off. This is wild. This is
20-point back and forth. I don't even want to trade
gold,
this micro.
There's no way.
Producer EGA halted smelter after Iran strike. Aluminium, as they say.
Yeah.
No real change in delta here. 3,400 positive in the S&Ps, but just slightly positive now in the NASDAQ, about 200. Still pretty flat in gold, negative 70. Perhaps a little bit of a divergence in crude oil, negative 630 right now, coming off those lows.
There's divergences everywhere right now, Hogue.
Yeah.
Let's eat.
I'm watching these equities because that it's all initiative buying up here, Andre, and it's just not. It's not real clear to me that this initiative buying is anybody that's got any bullets, any real money. It just seems like it's
gotta be
low volume.
Yeah.
Short still probably getting squeezed.
Both directions too.
Which market is Dakota? I can't. You gotta tell.
Nasdaq. Sorry, yeah. I'm just these equities. These equities. In general, like you're saying, Hogue, seems like a very thin, very very thin order book, just back and forth, back and forth. I mean, VIX is down. VIX is down to 24.29, which I mean that's a positive note.
Okay, so all right. Well, here's crude trading underneath $99. We'll see if it pops. It's trading $98.88. Will we get the headline that'll make it pop? Looks like. And equities trading around the upper end of the range, right around initial balance high. Well, the algos come in. All right, gold looks like it maybe wanting to start holding bid.
I think we need to maybe disentangle a little bit too. Yesterday was the last day of the quarter. We had perhaps a lot of rebalancing flows. In fact, extremely likely because we went up so much. the JP Morgan collar we mentioned, bidding things up. And there was some good news at the time, but it seems to have all been unwound. I don't know what's changed since like 2 days ago.
Same.
So I know a lot. Sentiment seems to be a lot of people are looking for more downside, but they're not going to make it easy for them. I think you got to be pretty wide and hope not to get obliterated by the next headline.
Blindsided. 3 U.S. So this is from Axios. 3 U.S. officials. Well, unclear if deal can be reached. They need to stop pumping these worthless headlines. What needs to happen? What is that? What kind of headline is that? Axios.
They get the
Right.
views.
3 U.S. officials, unclear if deal can be reached. What is that?
Jack,
Their
do you
little
feel like
newslets.
that like the good news is getting closer and closer? If there's gonna be, it's probably getting nearer and nearer. Does it make it harder to sell?
Maybe.
Good news from what
yeah.
side? Depends from what side is the word.
Yeah,
Depends who
maybe.
look-
I still think if I were going to play that, it would be in back month crude to kind of avoid all of that.
Mm.
I mean, eventually, the whether stocks go up is kind of like less clear to me, but eventually you got to like pay the piper, right? If it, how long will the strait be closed before it kind of becomes, well, maybe it's not going to open in 2 weeks,
Right.
We're maybe getting there.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, good news. Al Jazeera currently saying the current Iranian attack on Israel is the largest since the beginning of the war.
Yeah. Nobody knows, right?
It depends.
Valsterino says absolutely not, Hogue. Valsterino thinks this is going to be going on for a while.
I don't think anyone knows.
Nobody knows.
It's
We might find out more tonight.
we did get a bit of a sneak peek, if you will, maybe, perhaps. I'm guessing we'll make more.
The only thing I know is we're holding above 200 here in the
Justin
Nasdaq.
says the strait is open. I mean, the strait's open, kind of like Tao's open for a group of 10 men.
Wow, jeez.
Got to pay to get in.
Yeah, we had $2 million bucks ahead.
You got to buy that sparkler bottle.
$2 million bucks ahead.
The strait is open. Yeah, no, it's not.
It depends who it's open for some. Certainly not open as it was by any means. This is
oh man.
Even the markets are just like, what is happening? I think did they unplug the algos? Like, hey, Johnny,
markets are bullish, man. Markets are rallying here. I think we break session highs. We're holding. We're going.
Yeah. We got initial balance high right here in the ES. Oh, I might take a dip. Might take a stab at this sucker.
What, cavemaning it or?
No, get short up here. Just short up here. What do we got? 66.28. We're just one headline away.
Oh, shit. I got short one.
Same.
Just do it cheapo.
What
just about to get in. Just about to get in.
Top of the range. We'll put 2.
Just not pulling back.
Initiative
buyers.
What price did you get, Jack?
We got 67.27.5. We'll see how it reacts to the. There's a couple points above the initial balance.
What are they doing buying this?
I think the market's gonna go up. You trade what you see, not what you think, right? We're going up.
We'll play the initial balance here.
I think, I think crude will get back into 99s, closer back to 99.50. I think ES equities, upper end of the range. I think we can see a little bit of a turn. If not, know where the risk is. Oh, you get a better price right now if you want to get in.
Yeah, I can't.
Okay, I'll sell another one.
Where would you be putting a stop here, Hogue? Just above the initial balance, or is there something else you're seeing?
I'd probably be basing it off if we take out the overnight high in the Nasdaq, I'd be out.
Overnight high in the Nasdaq. Well, I got
Overnight high
another
in the
one.
Nasdaq.
Sold one for Hogue.
246.
Got
Okay.
sold
okay.
one. All right, there you go. What am I got short? Jack. Up
Yeah,
there
we're like break even.
Yep.
Oh man, I don't like shorts here. I just don't.
Short shorts or shorts? What was that? What was the question?
Both, man. Just anything with the word short in it. I'll stay away.
Short shorts or short positions or something like that.
Yeah.
Dua Lipa or Duolingo? Welcome to Top 7.
See, I like that one.
Yeah, me
Whoever
too.
wrote that was a genius.
Brett Favre, the football player. Brett Favre, the photographer. You can only get that here at Top Step TV. Click subscribe, click a like. Short right around the
you guys know.
high.
Everyone caught on to my April Fool's joke. I did not lose my live account.
Oh, that was a joke. But don't.
Wait, did you guys did you think I did?
Yeah, you went on tilt. I mean, it's not out of the question. And gold.
Yeah, well, it was pretty true. Yeah. A lot of people did, but I still got my live account. I've had 0 combine purchases in 6 months, 0 account resets in over 6 months. Just this one live account.
Boy, Dakota. Dow catching a bid. Looks like we're holding bid up here.
Right,
What's
did we take out the NQ?
Take out the NQ.
Not yet.
Looks like some sellers came in there.
All right, I'm long the Nasdaq from the tippy top here.
That might be the play because gold continuing to stay a bid. Gold trading 47.89. Crude get above 90, back above $99. Trading $98.97. Doesn't think so. Does it see money, take money? If we ever have the chance, Jack, we may not have the chance because crude.
We did for a brief moment.
Yeah, it's got to go. Yeah, it's got to go more than that. But we might be the zombie rally might be underway for the day.
Yeah,
This trade was so hard yesterday. It was so hard to trade the zombie rally. Yeah.
I don't like this one bit.
You gotta hang on tight. You gotta.
All right, so we are long 15 ES 66.33 half.
Wow, how about those for April Fool's jokes? Just flying around right now. I wish you were.
That's not April Fool's. We're breaking through session highs here in the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
I
think you're messing that one. Try again. Up around 6,600 SPX.
Gold. Where's gold going? Gold. Here we go. We got the rally going.
Yeah.
Well, there goes crude. Where's my stop? Okay.
I guess.
And look at there we go. Are you long, Dakota?
Yeah. I bought the tippy top, and now we're breaking higher through session highs here.
I couldn't sell it.
You couldn't buy it either, Hogue. If you would have bought it, we would be good. Oh,
we may still.
You can get better prices right now. If you want to get short up here, man, look at these prices. They're better than 28s. Much better than 28s.
Now, if we
gold's going to
close this next 30 minutes, close this 30-minute bar above the IB high, that's when we get long.
Got about
gold. We got the haters.
Gold 5 minutes.
6 minutes.
Gold cooking.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and flat here. I'm flat.
This is a big one right here. If it goes green, and they're about to buy the sucker.
24, 240.
Flat. Nice trade there, Dakota.
Yep. And I'm going to go ahead and short this if we can't hold these 40s.
Oh, I would love to get short these prices. I would love to get short of this price.
We closed below the initial balance, Hogue, at 10. What do you think?
Sell.
I
Okay.
am now flat. I'm now short.
Wow. 245s, Mr. Dakota.
Same price I was long, basically. So
boy,
let's get it.
I got
Yeah, we
short
failed to
one
break
with
out.
you to start. I'm not
Let's
going to let Dakota
go.
mog me here. And if we close below the initial balance at 10, I'll add another.
Okay, I've been taking heat on this. What are you guys all short from, Dakota? I wish I was short from these prices. Dakota, what are you short from? Jack, what are you short?
645.
32.
32s, Jack? Jealous.
Well, they're available.
I decided that 28
Yeah.
was I thought 28s were good. I guess I'd love
I only got one on. Keep this above.
Same.
Okay,
hold on, 30.
I mean, I'm going to be opposite you guys.
66, 32.
That's fine.
Dakota, you're short from what price?
245.
245. Well, as long as the play.
Thus far.
Okay.
We're short.
Long one right now.
Like real account?
Yeah.
Okay, what price?
66.34.
66.34. So he's like, I can't sell it. Looks like we're gonna hold bid here. Like, who's gonna hold bid? I gotta cut this. Eesh.
Well, it's not really. So it says that's hedging. It's like, well, we're different people, though.
Different people, different accounts. Yo. Huh? Nope. Thank you. Come again. What do we got here? Last trade. Ooh, NQ holding bid. Holding bid. Oh, this is like yesterday. See that gold turns around like that. Turn on nothing. No reaction. This is when I gets tricky.
Well, I'm still
2
liking
more
it here.
minutes.
We just tried again and rejected.
Yeah, but we're not reacting to gold. This is like yesterday. No headlines.
I might add here if we get some type of a 3-bar reversal or.
It's gonna be a play. We've got tilt 50-50 on the tilt. Market's just stalling out. We got
a lot of positive gamma up around
Does that mean lower?
6,600, 66.43.
We ain't going lower. Oh, this is brute. There goes NQ on the move higher. Catching a bid. New session highs there. 24,268. Prince. What's ES doing?
1 minute. Dump it.
What's happening? This is like yesterday.
You get some information here in this next minute.
You better hit more buying. Oh man, this got yesterday written all over it. Crude last trade $98.84. Black Thor Cat Mead says, "Give me your stop loss." Oh, don't you worry,
Sure.
I'll find it. They found they can find my stops. What's going on, crude? $98.95 last trade. This gold pulled back about $10. Look at this market just sit here, just stall.
I just
Yeah.
added.
Yeesh. Added.
Yep, short 3 now from 256.
Okay. 3 short. How many from 356 is 35?
Yeah, 3 from 256.
256.
Well, we're going to close.
Is it the top of the hour yet? Oh, crude with a pop.
2
Crude
points
popping.
above.
Crude popping.
Well, let's see if the
What does that
IV
mean?
holds.
Does that mean long? Another pop there in the old crude, and we ain't reacting.
Ideally for longs, we would want to leave single prints above the initial balance high.
This is crude popping 25 cents. Financial juice is juice acting weird for you? Top of the hour is coming on.
Hello.
Bottom of the hour, we got the Euro close. Another popping crude. Crude trading $99.30. Where's Shork? Shork, what's going on, crude? No reaction. Oh, man, I don't like this. NQ, maybe a little bit, about 10 points off the highs there. 24,264.
Sitting here.
It sure as hell is, Hogue. What are you long from?
34, 66, 34 even.
I think that's where you want
Thinking
to
about
be.
adding.
They're not making it easy. Oh, NQ. How about tech? The old tech sector having a day, having its moment.
It is.
There's crude
Technology's
pop
the
in
future
here.
right here.
Yes, it is. There it goes. Okay, we're gonna play this game today. We're gonna play this game. Chat. Are the lows in? I think they might be. This may be hard if the buyers come back in gold.
Douglas, yeah, Intel's running today.
Yeah, I wasn't running. New session highs pop there in the old NQ. They just put aside this market. I got destroyed in this market.
This is a tough one when we just barely tap session highs and we pull back a little bit. Tap
Fuck,
session highs and
I
pull
hate
back.
this market. I'm out. I puked. I had to puke. This has got yesterday written all over it. All right, new session highs in the NQ. New session highs NQ 24,282. Gold catching a bid now.
This is all tech. Not really. Walmart's not going higher. Walmart's down 0.3%.
You got Google up 2.6, Tesla up 2.7%, Nvidia 1.5%.
Yeah, it's like this.
I'm going to try. I want to defend this like 6,600 SPX level. Hogue and I locked in Mortal Kombat.
No combat, Jack. No.
It's
no.
Here goes gold's. This is yes. I gotta get long.
Oh, here comes some sellers. Here come the sellers.
Art. New highs gold. Nothing's making sense right now. We'll have to navigate. So we'll let these guys manage these trades. New highs gold. Man, oh man. Let's take a look at some of our live funded leaders. Saw some huge numbers yesterday. Is that still the case? Oh, we are not done. Fernanda up 37 large. Fantastic to see. Poe, ain't so Poe, up $25,000. Wheat up 16,000. Lena up 16. Chris up 15,000 as well. Chop well done. Check out those names and P&Ls throughout the day.
Nice.
We got the bottom of the hour. London closed. These markets are trying to feel their way out.
An April Fool's claim in the Top Step social media. I must have missed it.
It is April 1st.
It is April 1st.
Is April Fool's celebrated all around the globe? Or is that just
I tried to look it up this morning for tidbits, apparently the origin is unclear. Some have it around like the switch from the Gregorian calendar. I don't know.
It's 50-50 on the till. What do you got for Delta, Hogue?
S&P's 3,200 positive. NASDAQ 600 positive. Gold 62 positive. kind
It
of
says it was
viewing that
celebrated.
delta in gold as divergent. I would think it would be much higher than that.
Apparently, it was celebrated when Ethan Sheet was a kid in China. So yeah,
How about that? They're doing these games. Last trade in the 66.36 NQ holding bid 24,273 last trade. 10 points off the highs there. Gold continuing to see more of a push to the upside. This is wild. And it's like yesterday. 4,800 evens print in gold.
Crude headed back towards 100, maybe.
Oh, something just hit. Something just hit. What was that? What was that? How was that? Here's the headline. Who knows what it is?
I don't know, but man, his volatility.
How was that? I did not see anything.
Yeah, tape bomb.
What is it? Financial juice is garbage. Yeah, absolute garbage.
let's take a look. See,
I don't. Yeah, it looks
had
like we
about-
popped new highs. We popped new
you get 1,000 contracts trade there. Let me take a look at the ES.
Jack. Yeah, they're on the lifting the offer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think we might have
1,200 ES trade.
Yeah, we might have an idea who that could be, Jack. They know what the old talking points are going to be.
Oops, I'm still on a 1 second chart here. I thought things were getting weird.
Yeah, I'm getting long. This is this is the good old boys. This is the good old boys doing this.
It's 2 on 2.
New highs. It's the good old boys.
Is this just zombie rally here today?
Yeah. 24,286 last trade in.
Still haven't taken out the overnight high P's though.
Yeah, well, what's crude doing? Crude catching a bit of a bid here. Possibly $99 and 33 cents last trade. Oolong from 66.34. Oh shit! I don't even know what I'm not seeing anything corresponding with that injection of liquidity. Still 50-50 on the tilt. Bottom of the hour, we do have in about 22 minutes. It will also be the Euro close.
Initiative buying here.
Up 1% in the ES.
The equities are so strong here.
Yeah, it's this
I
is
might
like
have
yesterday.
to just cut this one.
Just do it. Yeah, do it.
I want to see if we get the resistance at around 43. I'll be out a little bit above that. It's only 1.
There goes gold. Okay. What am I long from? Gold new highs 48.01. 48.01 new highs in gold.
Gold did the same thing the equities are doing.
This is like
closed above the IB high. Kept going.
Oh, shoot, now they find some sellers. Or is this just a dip to buy? 5-minute open. Wow, another pop there in gold. Whoa. This is wild. I don't know what to make of this. These moves. We're too
Small
high.
size white.
We're too high.
Questions about initiative buying in the chat. Initiative buying is when buyers buy at a price higher than recent activity. Like if you're buying it up here, you're either getting out of shorts or getting long because